Where does he live?
He live in Baku.
Okay. Well, is your best friend older or younger than you?
My best friend in older than me.
Oh, he's older than you. Okay. Faraj, what do you usually do with your best friend?
We usually playing football and tennis.
Where do you usually play football?
We usually played football in the stadium.
In the stadium. Great, Faraj. Faraj, did you read a book last night?
Sometimes I read a book.
Okay, you sometimes read, but how about last night? Did you read a book last night?
Yes.
Do you get up early or late in the morning?
Usually I wake up at 7 o'clock because I go to school.
That's great. You are an early bird then. Well, my following question is, what's your father doing now?
My father drive a car. No.
He's driving a car. Faraj, can you drive a car?
Yes, sometimes I drive a car.
Thank you, Faraj. It was really great to have you in my meeting. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.